This is day 1, early morning, 6:30. We are in the plane, ready to land at beautiful Leh. Take a look and enjoy the mesmerizing view of beautiful Ladakh from the plane. Tariff for this guest house is 1700 rupees per night without food. Food you have to take separately. Walking through the streets of Leh, we reached the Leh main market.
है घर तेरा चलना वहाँ जाना वहाँ खुद तक कहीं पहुँचे जहाँ कदम उठा और साथ में हो ले शहर शहर ये तुझसे देखो बोले टुकड़ी टुकड़ियों अपने नैना खोले जिंदगी पी ले जरा बहती हवाओं के जैसे है इरादे उड़ते परिंदों से
Lamayuru is a popular food outlet. We had very delicious momos and a local special soup.
सीखी है जो बातें
Day 2, a complete sightseeing day. We went to various places beginning with the Hall of Fame. Per head cost was rupees 200.
राहों पे कोई मैं चला मैं सफर में हूँ खोया नहीं मैं सफर में हूँ खोया नहीं मैं सफर में हूँ खोया सफर में हूँ खोया नहीं
Rafting costs rupees 900 per head and 1000 for the video camera.
दिल ये हवा में उड़ने लगे हैं हुआ पर आया जी आधे हैं जागे आधे हैं सोए कहाँ ले आया जी दिल ये हवा में उड़ने लगे हैं हुआ पर आया जी आधे हैं जागे आधे हैं सोए कहाँ ले आया जी जब से तुम मिल गए रास्ते खिल गए
This is the famous Khardungla Pass. Hi.
मुझसे लड़ने लगे संवरने लगे। संवरने लगे।
बर्फ 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 बर्फ
Hello all. So we are now traveling to Hundar, and as you can see, very beautiful. Just take a look at the valley. It's so awesome. I know I'm having slight difficulty in breathing because you can see this is actually 14,700 feet, so it's a bit difficult to speak fast, and really enjoying this. Here's a lot of sunlight and the beautiful view. Just take a look. Really nice, really good. The weather is also, it's like fluctuating. It's not very constant. It's fluctuating. It's the wind is very cold, and really you will feel very cold over here. I'm wearing a quilted jacket, and still the chilly winds are really troubling me. But anyways, so we'll be reaching Hundar around in half an hour probably, and very beautiful sky. Like, I really love it. Wow. I was not knowing this view is so awesome. And first we'll be visiting the monastery. It's called Samgompa.
कैसा था पहले अब कैसा हूँ मैं, तू ना जाने, तू ना जाने। आहिस्ता आहिस्ता होने लगे हम दीवाने।
Hello all, I am at the famous Diskit Monastery. So we had lunch, so we are a bit late here. Yeah, you can see the beautiful model of Buddha. So I'll just show you the thing. I hope you like it. And this is really an amazing place. The view is just awesome.
तेरे दीवाने तुमसे जो मिल गए, मौसम खिल गए, खुद से लड़ने लगे हम, संवरने लगे। संवरने लगे। हवा में उड़ने लगे हैं, आधे हैं जागे आधे हैं सोए। जब से तुम मिल गए रास्ते खिल गए, खुद से लड़ने लगे हम, संवरने लगे। संवरने लगे।
Olgok Guest House is a very beautiful, popular guest house in Hundar, and it charged a room of 4 adults 6,000 rupees for 2 days, including breakfast and dinner.
काफिरा तो चल दिया इस सफर के संग, काफिरा तो चल दिया इस सफर के संग, मंजिलें ना डोर कोई लेके अपना रंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग।
Then I started walking towards 2 points. One is the Indo-Pak border view and the other is Balti Museum.
रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग हाय रे। मैं बैरागी साजी हूँ ये भटकता मन, साजी हूँ ये भटकता मन, अब कहाँ ले जाएगा ये आवारापन। रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग हाय रे। नसीबों में सफर तो मैं कहीं भी क्यों रुकूं, है नसीबों में सफर तो।
Hello all, so I have arrived at the famous Pangong Tso Lake, and here it's quite a cool breeze that's blowing, and we have booked some tents which is around 1 kilometer distance from this location. So this view is really beautiful and I would like to show you a part of the lake. We are very busy clicking pics and I'll be sharing with you all.
मैं कहीं भी क्यों रुकूं, छोड़ के आया किनारे, बह सकूं जितना बहूं, दिन गुजरते ही रहे यूं ही बेमौसम, रास्ते थम जाए पर रुक न पाए हम। रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं।
Hello all, so it's 8:10 p.m. and I just had my dinner, and you can see I have booked my tent. Okay, so let's move and I'll also show you how is the inside of this one. This is completely cozy. That was like the main entrance, and then I have this main inside of the room. So take a look. Quite comfortable, quite good. They have given blankets also. It's quite chilly here, and evening, like you can say, the temperature drops below the freezing point, so you cannot do anything, but you have to wear filtered jackets or really thick pullovers. So it's quite beautiful here. It's quite spacious, as you can see. They have provided a bed, a bedside desk, a small seating kind sofa, and there's a carpet mat placed all over the floor so that you don't have to walk on the bare pebble ground. This tent is placed exactly on the pebble ground actually, and they have also constructed a cement floor. Now this is the dressing room, you can say, very private dressing room, and that's the washroom. Quite nice with all the sanitary fittings. You have a mirror over here and a towel rail. They have provided towels also.
मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग हाय रे।
at the Somoriri Inn. The Somoriri Lake is very near to this, but I cannot show you right now. It's quite far from here. I'm very tired today, so I think that is visible from my face itself. So here you can see the cottages right behind me, quite cozy wooden cottages. This lake has clear blue waters and very clean, and very few people visit here. What I find is actually the Chusul Pass, that road is closed right now. That is why tourists are not visiting this place anymore. Rarely certain bikers and very few cars and tourists will only visit this place. Okay, so stay tuned. Take care.
रूबरू खुद से हुआ हूँ, मुझ में मुझको तू मिला। रूबरू खुद से हुआ हूँ, मुझ में मुझको तू मिला। बादलों के इस जहां में आसमां तुझ में मिला। पिघली है अब रात भी है शहर भी है नम, ना खुदा मैं तो रहा, बन गया तू धर्म। रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, रहूं मैं मलंग मलंग मलंग, मैं मलंग